I've been using this cookware set from Gourmetific for 30 days, so here's my honest review. I work from home, I cook almost every meal, so I was able to get a real sense of how this set performs. Overall, it's simplified my routine and made cooking a lot more enjoyable. I'm sure you hate scrubbing pans as much as I do, and I have to admit the non-stick is a 10 out of 10. The ceramic non-stick means there's no messy pans. So I'm just plating my food now, and it doesn't even look like I used the pan. The fact that there's hardly any cleanup involved was enough to sell me, but I have to show you one more feature that I just can't get over. You probably noticed me using the detachable handles, but I can take a pan straight from the stove, put it in the oven, and that's even less dishes that I'm using and even less cleanup. One thing I did not expect to care so much about was a lid. This set has Tupperware lids, so you can put leftovers straight into the fridge, and then when you're ready to have it the next day, you can take it out and put it right on the stove, so it's fewer dishes. One thing that really impressed me is how nicely you can organize this set. I live in a studio, so space is limited, and the whole set stacks neatly on one shelf. I also have to mention the color because this set looks gorgeous in my kitchen. So my honest review is that hands down, it is the best cookware set that I've ever owned.